guys, I'm currently on my way to a swap. There's a swap happening about 2 hours from where I live, and we're gonna go see what they have there today. Just a heads up, this show is more of a, you know, not so much a pigeon show. I mean, the swap, excuse me. The swap is not so much a pigeon swap, it's more so an animal swap. That's what it is, an animal swap. Yeah. So stay tuned. Okay guys, we are here. And this is what we go through. Let's see if I can find any of my old buddies around here somewhere. A lot of people today. I actually came quite late today. I was supposed to come and see some friends, but I guess, like, you know, I came like an hour late. Yeah, an hour late. But yeah, this is the area. Let's see if I can find them. Catch you guys in a bit. Yeah, they got pigeons and everything. Lots and lots of pigeons. Lots of ducks and geese. Ooh, someone brought some doves over here. Alright. What's it going here? Hey, look who it is. It's Rick. How's it going? What do you got here today?
A little mishmash.
Birds.
A little mishmash. Is that the hen you were talking about over there? Is that the bird you were talking about in your... Oh. Never mind. Hey guys, look how chonky this bird looks. Really chonky lad.
Yeah, I figured.
Thick. Thick bird. Look at him. Where were them fans at? Alright guys, here we have some Jacobin pigeons. Look at that breed. These are really, this is a really cool breed. Take a look. You can see that their heads are almost covered in feathers, like almost all around covered in feathers. Really nice looking. It must be really hard to see them too. Like imagine being a Jacobin and not seeing anything.
Sure.
Yeah. All right, guys. Here we have one of them Orpington chickens. Look how massive this guy is. Yeah, he is huge. He's a big chicken. Look, if I had a, you know, oh no, he'd be really big. Wow. And then this one's bigger. This guy over here is bigger. Wow. And how much do they weigh usually? Wow. Look how much bigger the males are compared to the hens. These are the hens, right?
Yeah, these are just 10 months old though, all of them.
All of them, wow.
Except those two are older.
Wow. They're really big.
We incubate May, June, and July usually.
Warmer seasons?
Like,
In the warmer seasons?
yeah, and we farm, so he doesn't have time to, he doesn't.
Here they got some turkeys. Wow. Wow, what are those? Are these yours?
No.
No?
They're right there with the tubs.
Okay. Wow. Not sure what these are. So we got an almond bird right there. Some sort of flecking right here. That bird. We got some lemons here. I think I'm gonna pick up the big guy in the back. There's that guy right there.
So, yeah, it's
quite nice looking.
bottom of yellow bar. I bought him yellow bar hen, brown bar hen.
So guys, that was a swap, and I kind of came late today, so I didn't get to see much. I came an hour late. Everybody was there by 7 a.m. and I got there around 8 o'clock. So I missed out on a bunch. Everything was basically sold out by the time I got there, and I couldn't get much of anything actually. I only got a few pictures and some footage, but that's about it. So I guess I'll be going home now. I'll probably make a video about the birds I got when I get back, you know. I don't know when it'll come out, maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day after that. Who knows? Depends on my schedule. But yeah, that was the Hutchinson, I think. The Hutchinson swap. The MN Breeders swap. So, yeah. See you guys in a bit. Hey girl, how you doing? Come here, come here, come here. How you doing, girl? This is Sweetie, guys. If you guys remember from my last video, I got her recently from a show held by the Brown County and Pigeon Poultry Association, and she is very, very tame. I got her from my buddy Rick and his wife. And yeah, they hand raised this baby, or this girl, from my baby. Very nice and very cute. Come here, come here. Ooh, 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 come here. Come here. Ooh, 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 come here. Yeah. Her name is Sweetie. Hey, cutie. Come here, cutie. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah. You must be tired. She's been around. She's been road tripping with me all day today. Come here, come here, come here. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah. All right. Say goodbye to the camera. Bye. Come here, one more dance. Yeah. All right. See you guys later.